Здравствуйте, дорогие друзья!
Hello and welcome to Vocabulary Lesson 10 of the Practical Russian course for beginning students. In this lesson you will learn about Russian numbers in a practice routine. As you proceed through this Practical Russian course, your Russian language skills will increase incrementally and will become long-lasting if you remember to repeat the words out loud after tomorrow.
10,
You can see the lessons for numbers 1 to 10 and 11 to 19 in the info cards above. In this lesson, we will cover numbers 20 to 109. Notice the similarities of some of the endings and pay attention to where the stress falls. 10,
10,
20,
20,
30,
30,
40,
40,
50,
50,
60,
60,
70,
70,
80,
80,
90,
90,
100,
100, 20,
20,
21,
21,
22,
22,
23,
23,
24,
24,
25,
25,
26,
26,
27,
27,
28,
28,
29,
29,
30,
30,
31,
31,
32,
32,
33,
33,
34,
34,
35,
35,
36,
36,
37,
37,
38,
38,
39,
39,
40,
40,
41,
41,
42,
42,
43,
43,
44,
44,
45,
45,
46,
46,
47,
47,
48,
48,
49,
49,
50,
50,
51,
51,
52,
52,
53,
53,
54,
54,
55,
55,
56,
56,
57,
57,
58,
58,
59,
59,
60,
60,
61,
61,
62,
62,
63,
63,
64,
64,
65,
65,
66,
66,
67,
67,
68,
68,
69,
69,
70,
70,
71,
71,
72,
72,
73,
73,
74,
74,
75,
75,
76,
76,
77,
77,
78,
78,
79,
79,
80,
80,
81,
81,
82,
82,
83,
83,
84,
84,
85,
85,
86,
86,
87,
87,
88,
88,
89,
89,
90,
90,
91,
91,
92,
92,
93,
93,
94,
94,
95,
95,
96,
96,
97,
97,
98,
98,
99,
99,
100,
100,
101,
101,
102,
102,
103,
103,
104,
104,
105,
105,
106,
106,
107,
107,
108,
108,
109,
109. Here is an exercise. Write down the number when you hear it.
60, 20, 70, 40, 90, 10, 50, 80, 100.
Here are the answers. In this lesson, you have learned about Russian numbers in a practice routine. As you proceed through this practical Russian course, your Russian language skills will increase incrementally and will become long-lasting. If you found this video useful, please subscribe, ring the notification bell and like this video.
До свидания.
And we will see you next time in the practical Russian course for beginning students.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here.